Kingdom going to do the new Zootopia ride, and I'm so very excited. I'm here with a couple other people, and so we are here. It's like 5 o'clock, so the sun is setting. A Bug's Life ride was a memory. I wasn't sure if it was a fun or a bad memory when I was a kid, but I'm very excited to check it out and to see how it's gonna be. So come with us to go check out the new Zootopia show at Animal Kingdom. So initial reactions?
Cute. That's what you took my word. It's cute. It's cute. It got the job done. It was something to do.
It's something different. They changed the atmosphere.
Oh, it's definitely different.
So my initial reaction is that it was cute, like everyone said. There was not a lot of interactive atmosphere like it was for A Bug's Life, so that was a little sad. But overall, it was cute. Again, not as intense and interactive as A Bug's Life, but Zootopia is cute. It's something new to do, and it's fun. Kids are also probably not going to leave this show crying like they used to with A Bug's Life. That was traumatic, but it's cute, something fun for the kids to do. If they really like Zootopia, this is the ride to do, or the show to see.